I bought a 7 unit apartment building in Sudbury. So it's very interesting because a lot of people ask me, where do I live, right? And I tell them, oh, I live in this beautiful 2 story loft in Mimico area. And they're like, oh, great. How much did you buy it for? And they're like, and I feel awkward saying this because a lot of people don't get it, but I'll be like, no, I didn't buy it. I rent it. And they're like, you're a realtor and you rent your own place? Like, ouch. How does that work, right? And I'm like, I can't really explain to those people because they're thinking status is attached to owning your property. But I don't think like that. I have an investor mindset, right? So I'm thinking I could buy my condo for $1 million. I would have to put 200,000 down, and I could get an 800,000 mortgage, and I could live in that condo. It would cost me a mortgage payment of about maybe $4,000. Maintenance on that condo is almost $1,000, so that's 5,000. Property taxes, home insurance, electricity, it would cost me like another $700. So all in all, it would cost me about $6,000 to own that condo if I were to live in it. So for a single person to live in a $1 million condo could cost about $6,000 to $7,000. Why not take the $200,000 and buy a 7 unit apartment building in Sudbury where 7 units, 7 tenants are going to pay me $1,200 to $1,500 to live in that. And mortgage, property taxes, insurance, property management would be taken care of at say 5, 6,000. I'm cash flow positive about 2,000 to 2,500 every month. Why not use that cash flow to rent my condo? I pay 3,500 in rent, but if I own that condo, it would cost me $6,700. So that's my strategy. I like to rent places in different parts of the city. Every year I can rent a new condo, and I use my capital that I earn from selling real estate and other investments to buy more real estate that is cash flowing.